Welcome back to Reviews Heaven. Today, we're diving into the world of smart knife sharpeners. If you love keeping your kitchen knives razor sharp without the hassle, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be showcasing the top 5 best smart knife sharpeners on the market. From compact and portable designs to high-tech precision, we've hand-picked models that offer ease of use, reliability, and of course, sharp results. Whether you're an outdoor adventurer or a home chef, there's something here for everyone. So, sit back, hit that subscribe button, and let's find the perfect smart sharpener for your needs. Number 1. Chef S-Joyce EdgeSelect Professional Electric Knife Sharpener. The Chef S-Joyce 1515 EdgeSelect Electric Knife Sharpener is a must-have for anyone looking to maintain ultra-sharp knives at home. It's designed for 15-degree class knives and uses 100% diamond abrasives, the hardest natural material, to sharpen both straight-edge and serrated knives quickly and effectively. This sharpener offers a 3-stage system. Stage 1 uses medium abrasives to sharpen, Stage 2 hones with finer abrasives, and Stage 3 polishes for a flawless edge. Its precision angle guides ensure accurate sharpening throughout the entire blade, taking the guesswork out of the process. It also converts traditional 20-degree knives to sharper 15-degree edges. Customers praise its ease of use and effectiveness. It works quickly, sharpening knives in about a minute and resharpening in just 10 seconds. The sharpener is suitable for everything from thin paring knives to thick chef's knives, offering reliable results. Overall, the Chef S-Joyce 1515 is perfect for home cooks who want professional quality sharpening. Easy to use and long-lasting, it's a great addition to any kitchen. Number 2. Work Sharp Precision Adjust Elite Knife Sharpening System. Let's take a closer look at the Work Sharp Precision Adjust Elite Knife Sharpener. This adjustable system is perfect for sharpening hunting, serrated, and kitchen knives. With 7 abrasive grits, you can easily tailor the sharpening process to suit your knife's needs. The sharpener offers flexibility with adjustable angles from 15 to 30 degrees, making it perfect for a variety of knives. It comes with 7 abrasives, including diamond stones, fine ceramics, and a leather strop. This system allows you to quickly change between grits without disrupting your workflow. Users love its ease of use, noting that even beginners can achieve a professional razor-sharp edge. The guided system ensures consistent angles, resulting in precision sharpening. It's a versatile tool for everything from kitchen knives to outdoor blades, delivering impressive results. Designed and engineered in Oregon, this sharpener is backed by a 3-year warranty, offering great value and reliability. If you want sharp, polished knives with minimal effort, the Work Sharp Precision Adjust Elite is a fantastic choice. Number 3. Presto EverSharp Electric Knife Sharpener. We're reviewing the Presto EverSharp 2-stage electric knife sharpener, a budget-friendly and efficient tool for sharpening non-serrated kitchen and sport knives. This sharpener uses a 2-stage system to deliver a razor-sharp edge, making it a great addition to any kitchen. The sharpener's sapphirite sharpening wheels, made from the same material used in professional sharpening shops, grind and polish knives to a precise angle. The 2-stage system grinds first and then hones for a polished finish. It also features preset blade guides, which eliminate guesswork by holding the knife at the perfect angle. Users appreciate the ease of use, with many noting that it creates a sharp edge with minimal effort. A few draws through the sharpening slots produce impressive results. It's also compact and has a non-slip base for stability during sharpening. If you're looking for a fast, effective, and affordable way to sharpen your knives at home, the Presto EverSharp is a solid choice. With its simple operation and reliable performance, it's perfect for keeping your blade sharp without hassle. Number 4. KitchenIQ Edge Grip 2-stage Knife Sharpener. Let's explore the KitchenIQ Edge Grip 2-stage Knife Sharpener, a compact yet powerful tool for sharpening both straight and serrated knives. Despite its small size, this sharpener delivers impressive results, making it a handy addition to any kitchen. The sharpener has 2 sharpening slots, coarse for dull or damaged knives, and fine for polishing and everyday maintenance. Its edge grip feature lets you sharpen safely on the edge of a counter, preventing the knife tip from dragging and causing damage. Users appreciate how quick and easy it is to restore knife sharpness. Just a few pulls through the coarse slot revives dull knives, and the fine slot maintains the edge with ceramic rods. Its non-slip base ensures stable, safe sharpening, even with larger knives. Compact and easy to store, the KitchenIQ Edge Grip is perfect for small kitchens. It's affordable, efficient, and designed for hassle-free knife maintenance, making it a must-have tool for every home cook. Number 5. Smith CCKS 2-Step Knife Sharpener. Now, we're reviewing the Smith CCKS 2-Step Knife Sharpener, a compact and portable tool ideal for outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're fishing, hunting, or camping, this sharpener ensures you have a razor-sharp edge on your fillet, pocket, or hunting knives. This sharpener offers 2 stages of sharpening: a coarse tungsten carbide slot for restoring dull blades and fine ceramic rods for polishing sharp knives. The preset angles guarantee perfect results with just 3 or 4 strokes. It's designed for safety with non-slip rubber feet and even floats in water, making it perfect for outdoor adventures. Despite its small size, users find it highly effective for quickly sharpening knives. Its lightweight design and lanyard hole make it easy to carry on a keychain or in a backpack, so you're always prepared. For anyone needing a portable and reliable sharpener, the Smith CCKS 2-Step Knife Sharpener is a must-have. It's compact, easy to use, and guarantees sharp results, whether in the kitchen or the great outdoors. Thanks for tuning in to Reviews Heaven. We hope you found the perfect smart knife sharpener from our top picks. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful reviews. Keep your knives sharp, and we'll see you next time.